Here's an app called Me at Walmart. So it's pretty amazing that like Walmart has like a really separate app with over 200,000 ratings. Uh, yeah, just for employees of Walmart. This app designed for and developed from the feedback of Walmart associates as well as a venue for customers to learn about and apply for a career with Walmart. Uh, with Me at Walmart app, you can easily learn about Walmart's history, cultural values, the benefits we offer, and apply for a career with Walmart. So then just open it up. And then you can see how it looks like. Hello associates. You can change the language to Spanish or English in top right and then accept it and offer, get ready to start. You can also explore jobs and learn about Walmart, and then you can from here you can just sign in. And then you need to sign in through this Walmart portal with user ID and password, which probably you were given. And yeah, it's pretty convenient. It's quite well developed app which you can use.